Tough track for me.
Haloz.
Haloz.
Oh yeah.
Haloz, wake up.
Sorry.
He's losing it in the pit lane.
It's almost 2 in the morning.
Ooh.
It's 8:40 for me. AM. Damn.
Hey.
That's a pretty nice time, actually.
Nice.
Should
I enjoy
Good.
it.
Six-
You're awake, you got lots of energy.
Yeah, I enjoy
I
it.
don't.
Everyone set
mate.
spawn.
I have set my spawn.
Oh yeah, hold on.
Oh no.
My
God.
car turned off.
Well, that's right, I gotta record this.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
We all ready?
Is that everyone?
Oh my
Yep.
God!
Probably.
Oh, someone's queuing.
Ready?
I keep coughing. I'm gonna end up like
Oh, great.
sneezing
There we
in my
go.
helmet and crash.
Okay, I'm seeing edit received in queue.
I got all my edits done.
Alrighty, I'm starting recording. You can drive
If I
off
crash
now.
into anyone, I'm
Okay.
blaming it on being down with the sickness.
I should put on my parting bubble.
Oh, I lost a lot of frames going off there.
Yeah.
Oh my
Now I'm running a smooth 24 frames.
Mm.
I'm running.
I'm
Lovely.
getting 23.
I'm
Running
averaging
30.
40.
How?
Mine's in between
20 is
30 and
survivable.
40.
Barely.
I got mostly low. My textures are higher though.
Yeah, I just
While we're going race speeds,
I can't deal with
Changing the
low
graphics doesn't do
textures.
anything.
almost
Jesus Christ. Oh,
bless you,
Oh,
bless you,
sorry.
and bless you.
Haloz.
bless
Nearly
me,
spun out there.
My setup likes to
Bless you, thank you, you're welcome.
That's why Shade sucks in this car.
I'm kind of happy where I'm starting.
Yeah,
Because there was no shot where I was gonna beat Miko, Sani, Oscar.
Many people
Avery.
are full, like, 100% on the throttle on this straight.
I'm
Yeah.
I honestly think
Bones is-
the qualifying 10th is better than like 7th.
Yeah, probably. Did you really have to
I
say
don't know if I
7?
like starting
The middle of the
P5.
pack is always the most dangerous.
Bones, did you really have to say 7th?
No, I was just looking up and seeing where I could probably actually get to if I had a perfect line. Whoa! Almost ran into the back of the
Oh my.
I didn't. We're all good.
Oscar, I'm
Hey,
slowing
Halo.
down a
Fine.
little bit.
I keep a bit of a bigger gap, Haloz.
What a save.
Just, you're getting on my nerves.
Oh,
I keep on seeing the little thing.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it was.
Whoa.
Oh no.
Someone saw that.
Me and Bones
Oh.
both did the same thing.
Alright, when we get onto the grid, I'm gonna turn my name tags off because they always clutter up my screen.
Yeah, I need to turn mine off as well.
Well, I wonder what happened to put Bones kind of further back from the rest of it.
I think Burning should turn his name tags off too.
Oh, why
so-
is my
Oh,
steering's going weird?
hey.
I can't see.
Don't remind me of that.
I'm on the outside.
You're on the inside, Haloz.
Okay.
That was a disaster.
I was trying to get out of Bones' way.
Okay,
Yeah,
can I get
I'm
1
turning
second?
my name
I'll
tag
be
off.
right back.
Yeah, I need to turn name tags off.
I'm-
This is insane.
Yeah, I don't want to.
I'm gonna do countdown.
Oh, okay.
Everyone ready?
Oh, wait.
Ah,
Okay, okay. I'm
what are we waiting for?
Okay, good. Yeah.
Do you have your gloves on?
Wally's been
Yep,
doing this
yep.
for almost 20 minutes.
Yep.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
countdown now.
Oh, yes.
You
Oh,
guys
just
know.
steer
Alright,
wheel.
guys.
Alright,
Good luck.
everyone's supposed to start soon.
Good luck, everyone.
I clicked start recording like right as we started going.
Oh, you better hope it's enough then.
I'm breaking it.
Just say the camera cut.
I am just gonna slow down.
I'm giving it to you. I'm giving it to you.
No!
Oh.
Ah!
Oh no!
Avery lost
Crash,
his
I'm out!
First turn.
Avery lost his
Whoa.
side
Splash
with
out.
Miko and
Splash
then Miko
out.
got loose from it.
Oh, Bones.
Miko has
Oh.
damage.
Oh no!
Those sketchy farms are like, whoa, there's a lot of you. How many are out?
This
a lot
this
out.
might be a reset. This might be a reset.
We might have
There's
to
a
reset,
few, there's a
guys.
good few.
That's like 4.
How many? Pipes went
At
down.
least
Just rammed Avery.
Oh no, I'm
That
sorry!
was
so far.
Sorry, I'm
That was so messy.
sorry.
Can we restart, Moons?
I didn't see anything on my screen. I barely touched you.
We don't know how many people are out. Is the issue?
And my entire rear wing's gone.
It's okay, you can still drive with that.
Can someone who's out get a count of how many people are out?
I'm counting 2 so far.
That's pretty much
Okay.
Nuh-uh.
My luck is terrible in this league, I swear to God.
Well, I mean, I ran
You're
into
like
someone
Alonso.
in the middle of it, so I don't know what.
Unluckiest racing driver.
I got shoved into the sand in turn 1 because there were 3 cars on my inside.
It's because Green isn't here to be unlucky.
That was such a messy start, bro.
No, Avery.
Oh no, Avery.
So I guess
Avery.
not enough
What happened,
cars are out
Avery?
for-
Oh no. The corkscrew.
3 now, I think.
I think 4.
Avery can get back.
4.
Oh, was that safe entry, Avery?
Very safe.
There's been so
I'm
many.
smoking in front of me. I think Miko's.
Miko's in the wall. Miko's in the
I
wall.
don't know. This one feels
That's-
like one we should be restarting, but there's just not
Yeah,
enough people out.
That's 5
there's,
people out.
there's people everywhere, mate. Miko's in the wall.
I think
That's
Almost
half
six.
the lobby.
It
That's
should
half
be
the
six.
lobby.
we might have to restart.
Past
I'm
lap
at
1 though.
P3.
Oh my
I'm on
god.
my
I need to
P3.
Oh,
Yeah,
Apex is
Halo,
doing it
Miko
to-
just went into the wall.
with
Past
Miko.
lap 1.
Someone's going into the sand where Sunny was.
Is that 6?
Yeah.
That's 6.
That's
I think
6,
we-
yeah.
People have already reset,
We gotta
so.
restart.
Restart?
So restarting with 3 to go.
Oh shoot.
It's just gonna be a complete
P3.
restart. I didn't
I
set
already
the
reset in the pits.
Oh, fun boy.
Make sure when you
We
crash,
had such a
you
good
slash
battle,
out, because
Fanboy.
there's only 2 people.
Yeah, I know.
That was so sketchy, but it was so fun.
Me and Oscar had such a good start.
It was unfortunate that a guy just stopped at the track to do that.
Haloz, did you identify? Oh, you did, cool.
Yeah, I should.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't set my spot.
Ooh, holy
Someone
lag.
queued on the start.
Good luck, everybody.
Oh, that's
Yeah, that
cool.
was so
Oh,
lag. Oh my god.
Yeah, we had a stall
Oh.
that crashed and start. I think. I don't want any of them to be in the videos.
Okay.
Ben, stay off of me. I don't want you rear
Oh my god, did you stay off me?
God.
Oh no.
What's that?
Restart.
Yeah.
I was gonna say everything.
I accidentally made Bones crash into the wall. Because,
Well, I didn't start, so I think that's
Yeah.
my fault.
It's a restart?
Yeah.
it's a
Yeah.
restart.
Here we go again, boys.
My eyes are getting
Starting
cold.
countdown.
It is now almost.
Alright.
My car's overheating.
45 minutes after qualifying started.
Let's go, guys. We got this.
Good luck, everybody.
Look,
I got the worst start.
Whoa, Sonny, bro.
Sonny.
What's going on, Frank?
Hey,
already?
yo.
oh, Bones.
Bones.
Oh no.
I don't know what happened. I braked my normal point. I just
Burning,
didn't
I'm on
stop.
your inside, mate.
Yep, thank you,
Probably didn't
Tony.
reset.
I didn't die. You're so lucky, Blurry. I hit your rear, and I was about to take you out, but I barely missed you. I was trying so hard not to.
Fun there.
It's like Perez in Miami that one year.
Oh,
I didn't
Sorry,
spin.
sorry.
This is gonna be awesome, guys.
I'm so angry. One time that we make it through turn 1. I never did. Oh my god.
Blurry, did you feel my contact with you?
No, I didn't feel anything.
Because I hit you. I almost took you out.
It didn't register
completely-
on mine. Like,
Good. Fortunate. It's gonna look really cool in the replay though. I'm just gonna spin.
Oh, I'm so
What happened
scared
to
right now. I'm in 4th, I think we're in 5th.
Are we all making it through turn 1?
Because he's not.
Made a legitimate pass on someone. So, like a dead person. I'm ready. Oh, this is gonna be great.
I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it.
I've caught up, kind of. I can see them.
Hello. It's burning in the
Burning, you cheeky boy.
Don't call me cheeky.
Oh, I locked up.
I'm the person. Oh, my steering is gone.
Is that our first like entire lap clean?
Side by side
Like,
for
no
the lead.
crashes?
Oscar and Avery.
I just went.
Oh
Three
no,
wide.
crash. Crash.
You just came
the
over.
hell?
We've done a full lap
Oscar
without
crashed.
crashing.
Oscar crashed. Oscar crashed.
It's
In the middle of the
Logic's.
track.
Don't worry.
Logic's is also middle
That
of
was
the
so
track.
weird.
Right, someone
Sorry, Blurry.
turned across and hit me.
May have been my fault there. I'm sorry. I'll try to rejoin the trackers so I didn't
Unsafe
spin or
rejoining?
anything.
Probably. Who was
I
that?
think it may have been.
God.
I think I might
I
have
was also
damaged
trying
you.
not to spin into
I think you
anyone
do.
else?
because I was in the gravel.
That was so weird. Oscar just like jumped out of the way. Like the car's moving.
Who's burning? Who's behind Bernie?
Oh my god. Avery, you just gave me
No!
Barney, I think.
Oh my. Bunny. Oh yeah. Bunny, just go through. It's not like I'm gonna try and defend or anything.
I can't even
Sounds
drive,
like
bro. Someone
Perez.
turned into me.
Surely, son, you can pull off a Perez here.
Oh, someone's in the dirt. Oh, jeez.
I'm out on. Oh, I don't. Oh, wait.
A little bit too wide.
Where is Oscar? Keep on hearing about him.
He's behind
He is
me.
just in
He's-
front of Haloz. That was a bit.
I'm coming up
Oh,
there,
that last corner. Oh my god.
Ah,
and I would prefer not to die, so... Let's make this easy.
Avery, you gave me steering going to pass me on the straight by the way.
oh no.
I'm sorry?
You gave me steering going when you passed me on the straight.
Gotta go to the
because
inside.
You like squeezed me.
Yeah.
I gave you like a whole car.
The pit.
Kinda didn't.
Because
Oh, it's probably netcode, that's my
I
bad.
almost ran into you and you came back on.
It's like
I
the
was quite far
slightest.
away, but it felt like it.
It's like
I'm taking
3
no
degrees.
risks here.
Oh, hello, buddy.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh, Logics, no.
Oh no.
Farmboy, how far behind are you from me?
You can check. I'm 2.5 seconds behind.
I'm racing at
Oh,
like
Logic's
15
off
frames
track.
per second.
You probably didn't identify.
Because you reload, didn't you? Yeah. That's why I
Avery, I'm on
asked.
your side.
Yeah, you're not getting past anyway.
Yes!
am I allowed? Am I allowed? To,
No!
Please.
No! No!
can I pit and fix my car?
I'm so happy it was
You
an
can
easy
pit,
pass and
yeah.
I didn't kill anyone.
Okay. I'm just gonna be bloody a lap down.
These destroyed fires are killing me.
Oh my goodness, I didn't even look at my mirrors until right, left front, red.
Oh, their fronts.
My fronts are like a pink at the moment. That's how hot they are.
Bro, how hard do you turn? Do you flick the car into the corners or?
I don't think pitting is gonna be the best though.
Oh, that was nasty.
Almost about to get blue flag, I think.
Oh, really? Jesus.
Yeah, I'm catching up to someone.
Yeah, because I got turned
Oh
into.
no, no, no.
That's why I'm almost a lap
Contact with the wall.
down.
No.
That was close, Benz. For both of us.
I had contact with the wall. I have a
I
little
wonder
bit of
who it is,
suspension,
though.
but it's not really gonna matter at this point.
Who's about to go onto the straight?
Of course, Oscar's the next one up the road. I'm not gonna catch him.
Oh no, Sunny's behind me, that's scary.
What?
Yeah, because Haloz isn't on the.
Oh yeah. Oh, so Halo's up the road.
Yeah.
Don't it.
I'm not going to get another position if I had to.
No, 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 no.
Oh. Almost
My
got him.
rear right is
Don't it.
killing itself.
So much
my.
time.
But what is these draft?
Oh, my legs are shaking. I'm nervous. I'm actually going a good ways.
Avery, how you cheating prick?
Come on.
You
I can
fucking
feel my
turbo.
legs shaking.
I'm so
No,
far
it's because it's got
behind.
low downforce setup. Trust.
That's why it's so slow.
Yeah. It's also probably my damage doesn't help. I'm on your outside, I'm not going for an overtake there, that's stupid.
I want to hit for tires,
but I don't want to lose
Hear me out, everyone. Let's agree to pit on the last lap, guys. Totally.
Hell no.
Okay,
I
Avery,
think
you know you want to get P1.
Apex, you should pit on this lap.
No.
Nah. I'm all good.
No.
I don't think I am. I made a mistake.
You really did out there.
I'm going in.
Probably a little
to
bit.
fun racing for one
I only got away from
Blue, I swear, what you said
Oh,
like the
the
last
last
couple of
lap
races,
gave
it's
me
so
a
true. You have good races
got
and
a
I have
fresh
bad
set of
races.
tyres,
I have good
but
races
it's
and
not
bad
very
races.
much.
I got turned into and I had to pit and bloody 68 seconds.
I have
down
fresh
from-
tyres. I went to the pit side to fix my
On
suspension.
it.
Avery on your inside.
I have wing damage, front wing damage, and I'm still in the
Wait, Convoy, how are you ahead of us?
Well, I've been ahead of you this whole time.
Oh,
Yeah,
last
he has.
Were you not the one that spun the
P6.
chicane?
No.
Feeling my front tire's about to puncture.
I thought that was you that spun out. 'cause
Yeah,
you were
Running
my
a boss
tires
around
are about to blow.
Somehow.
absolutely cannot do it.
Probably not for long.
How close is Oscar?
He's a second behind me.
Yeah, I knew that was
I
gonna happen.
had to lift on the corner and
Catch
pull
up,
along
man.
straight. I almost crashed. Because my tyres just weren't gripping. Weren't biting.
Yeah, my tires are not gripping at all. I've got nothing.
My front tires are at 90%.
Who left?
My front tires are
Probably left.
Yeah, my tires are gone. They're shot.
Yeah.
No.
Mine are at 90%
No!
for my front.
No!
Yeah!
I just
Go, guys.
I just bottled a second in the
Avery.
last
Oh no,
lap.
Oscar's spun.
No, I just bottled it. Oh my god.
I crashed last corner, but I'm gonna cross the line in P4.
Yes!
No.
That
Avery, oh.
How much damage?
P6. My best game.
oh my
Okay, so I went across the line, but I cannot make it to the pits. Is that count then?
Yeah, as
You
long
made
as
it
you
across
can
the line.
Cross the line.
Oh my god.
I crossed the line. I'm locked in as P4, but I cannot make it to the pits.
Avery,
just gotta
make
wait
me in the
for
pits,
Pens and
mate. I'm
Blurry.
gonna punch you in the face.
P9.
I expected was to finish like a second
Actually,
behind.
can I?
First time I